We all want to stay in the middle of our lane because that provides a bigger margin for safety on all sides. The NEXO's Lane Following Assist, or LFA, can help. It uses a camera mounted on the windshield to detect lane markers on the roadway. It gently adjusts steering to help keep you right in the center, but LFA only works once it is activated. Make sure that the ignition is on. Then press the setup key below the navigation screen. Select Vehicle, then Driving Assistance, then Driving Assist. Then check the box for Lane Following Assist. Once the feature is selected, an indicator on the instrument panel illuminates. At first it's white. That means the system is ready, but not enabled. To be enabled, Smart Cruise Control must be activated, and LFA must detect lane markers on both sides of your vehicle. When it does, the indicator will turn green. LFA is ready to do its job. You'll see a graphic of your vehicle on a road with lane markers on either side. If a lane marker is detected, its color will change from gray to white. LFA will not be active if you have your turn signal on, or when you steer the vehicle out of the center of your lane. And it may not fully function in bad weather or bad road conditions. So remember, you are the one steering your vehicle. Lane Following Assist can help, but safe driving is your responsibility.